Today we're going to be stripping the old BRM, get all the engine out, running gear off, etc. But first, as it's been sat for a while, I'm going to start it just so anyone who wants to buy the engine can see. Check the oil, check the water, we're all good. Just need to put some power to it. So we'll do that, get it running, and then we'll start stripping it. So we've got the wheels and the exhaust off. It's just a shame the top of this one's so rough because the underneath is mint. I don't know if you can see that, but it's pretty spotless under here. Never mind, onwards and upwards. So that's the subframe off, 8 main bolts, drive shafts, hubs from the suspension uprights and the power steering pipes on the steering column, done from inside the car, that is, before it went up in the lift when it was coming off. So that's all off, engine's hanging from its mounts, so now we can chuck a pallet underneath, undo it all and drop that down. So that's next. There we go, one engine out. That's the rear beam off. Don't know whether to take the tank out or not, I'll have a think about it. But now it's time for tea. So the bottom half's all done, so we can stick it on the trailer and get it out, and then strip the top half and what's left in the top half off the ramp, so it frees it up for the next job. So there you go. So now the BRM stripped, we can take it to Mr. Scrapman. So come along for the journey, and I'll show you what happens at the scrapyard. So now the other one's scrapped, we're back on this one. Over the weekend Tom has been over, done a bit of welding for me. This inside had all gone, so he made me up a new panel and put it in. The lip had gone as well, so I don't know if you can see that. So we've just covered it in some black paint for now. It's got to go to the body shop and be sorted out. So that's that side done. He also repaired a little bit on this side. Again, this still needs sorting out. We run out of time. We're going to come back to that. But yeah, there was a patch on the bottom here before, and it wasn't too great, so we just cut that out and put another one in. But we've got a new lip to go in. Again, just covered it in a bit of paint for now, just to protect it, because obviously you can only come at weekends. But other than that, inside the arches, clean away the dirt. It's quite tidy under here. Yeah, I don't know if we can see this side. Yeah, see this side's also a bit dirty, but all good. So not a bad car at all. A few bits to tidy up, like obviously the rear beam's a bit crusty where it's been, only surface rust, just where it's been sat. But so we've got all the bits, we've kept all the bits off the other one. So we're going to have all them powder coated and put on at some point. So just got to go and see the body shop now about getting these rear quarters sorted out. The rear sill ends, and then we've got to look at the roof, because the roof's got a little tiny bit in there as well. So that's where we're up to on this one. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.